Are you drained of the day-to-day routine and looking for freedom of working from home? Pondering how to take off your freelancing career and start to make money online as a complete beginner? Well, in this ultimate guide, we wisely prepared a constructive tutorials to reveal the possibilities and skyrocket your success in the freelancing world. So, join us and keep watching till the end of this video to discover the profitable possibilities that we prepared. But wait, before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to Freelancing Unleashed, the ultimate guide to earn money online as a beginner. Today, I'm here to unlock the secrets that can turn your dream into reality. What is freelancing? A freelancer is a self-employed person who offers services to clients, and often to multiple clients at a time. These services are usually offered to businesses, though the use of utility and task execution tools. Nearly every type of service needed by most businesses could be provided by a freelancer, including marketing, publicity, advertising, technological support, such as web programming, creative works such as graphic design, and financial support. Can you afford to freelance? A freelance career holds the promise of a higher salary and unlimited income potential. After all, as a freelancer, you're the one deciding what you make and when you make it. But you'll likely not see that income right away. The first few months of freelancing typically involves sacrificing income while setting up your business, establishing yourself, and building a huge client base. Are you comfortable with being uncomfortable? Freelancing can be majorly uncomfortable. You won't always know where your next paycheck is coming from. You'll probably be rejected more times than you can count. What are you good at? Next, let's talk about what kind of work you do as a freelancer. This step is another common roadblock for people like you who want to freelance or join the gig economy. They're simply not sure what to do. The answer is simple, though. It might just take a couple questions to draw it out. What are you skilled at? What do others ask you to do for them? What can you do effortlessly? What skill can you offer that people may be willing to pay for? If you are liking the video so far, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Advantages of freelancing. You're your own boss. You choose your schedule, rates, and which clients or jobs you want to take. If you feel like working in your suit, native, you can. Why? Because you're your own boss. You get to pay less in taxes. Freelancers can take advantage of less tax deductions on income, property, and more. Since you would not own large properties or hire a large workforce, you may not need to answer to Federal Inland Revenue Service as much as your corporate counterparts would. You can make more money. Freelancing is high risk, high reward. Your salary is whatever you want it to be. It all comes down to how much you charge, who your clients are, and how often you want to work. You have a better work-life balance. Instead of commuting every day, you can simply take a stroll around your neighborhood. When freelancing, you can work whenever you want and live wherever you want. Most popular freelance services. Number 1. Writing and data entry. This is probably the most popular type of freelancing work out there, especially if you are a natural wordsmith and have a knack for writing and storytelling. Freelance jobs in this field are varied. You could be asked to write articles, email copies, ebooks, product descriptions for online stores, enter data on spreadsheets, social media advert copies, or even Facebook posts and tweets. Number 2. Web development and programming. Programmers are the brains behind the websites and apps we all use every day. They're tasked with building software that is well designed and easy to use for the typical customer, and usually have to write tons of codes to make it happen. Number 3. Graphics design. Graphics design is a bit more of a challenging sector to join. As a graphics designer freelancer, you could be creating a logo for a new startup company, animating videos, preparing illustrative PowerPoint presentations, designing social graphics, banners, and ad creatives. Number 4. Admin support. This industry has fierce competition. One of the most popular tasks is called transcription, and this involves listening to recordings of conversations and typing them out. You could even be a part-time remote personal assistant asked to schedule meetings, manage appointments, travel bookings, email and calendar management, and many more. Getting started with freelancing as a beginner. 1. Choose your niche. If you're new to freelancing, you might feel ready to take any paid work you can get your hands on. But as you get deeper into your freelancing career, you'll need to start being more strategic about the types of work you do and the clients you take on. If you may find that your secondary skills can offer up freelancing opportunities. For instance, if you are a strong writer, then you have the potential to develop a freelance writing business. 2. Get clear on your service offerings. One major decision you need to make early on in your freelance career is what you do and what you don't do. The more specific you can be about what services you offer, the better. Not only will it help you brand yourself, but it will also allow you to control how potential clients perceive you and give you the opportunity to continue building your portfolio in the direction you want to move in. 3. Polish your skills. Practice using your new skills by building the types of projects that you want to eventually be paid to work on. Whether that's WordPress websites, mobile apps, or writing, the more you can differentiate yourself among a sea of competition. 4. Build a portfolio and source testimonials. The world of freelancing lacks the normalities of the corporate world. Many prospective clients are not concerned with qualifications. They simply want to see what you have done in the past and judge whether you are competent or not. Therefore, if you are good at what you do and can demonstrate your skill through a quality portfolio and positive client testimonials or reviews, then you have every chance of success. 5. Determine your pricing. While deciding how much to charge for your freelance services is a major step towards determining your perceived value, you need to make sure you're charging enough to make a sustainable, comfortable living. Before setting your prices at the bare minimum you need to charge in order to hit your financial needs, consider the actual value you'd be creating for your potential clients and make sure you're not leaving money on the table. You can always increase your rates in the future and hope your client stays on board, but it's always advisable to start off on a favorable price point. Remember, freelancing is not just a way to earn money, but a path to unleash your potential and gain financial freedom. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon and do subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on freelancing and online entrepreneurship. If you have any questions, comments, or want to share your freelancing success stories, please do so in the comments section below. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of freelancing.